Class A CDL drivers, do not skip this ad. This message is for you. Are you a quality driver looking for better pay, better equipment, and better home time? Then this is going to be the best video you watch all day long. My name is Luke Williams. I'm the president of Central Oregon Truck, and I'd like to welcome you to our company. Back in 1992, my dad founded this company, and today, we're over 300 trucks running in all 48 states and all of Canada. We've also been named the best fleet to drive for 8 years in a row. And the reasons are simple. We give our drivers what every driver deserves. Great pay, great equipment, great home time, and more respect. So, if this is something that interests you, we're looking to fill a couple trucks. You can click on the link below, and on the next page, you can speak with one of our recruiters. Here at Central Oregon Truck, you're gonna get perks you don't experience at other companies, like excellent pay, including loyalty pay that starts on day one. Excellent benefits with company paid dental, medical, and vision, as well as a 401k with no vesting period. You're also gonna get a team that supports you and knows what you're going through on the road. So, if that's something that you would like to join, click on the link below, give us a little more information about you, we'll tell you a little more about us, and we can see if we're a fit. I'll see you on the other side.